And that's why there's a spaghetti stain on the moon. It started at dinner. My pet dino, Trevor, has a huge appetite. And even bigger sneezes. One pepper flake later, he let out a big sneeze. The spaghetti launched sky high, past birds, past planes, straight to the moon. NASA thought it was a new crater. Nope, just meatballs. Moral of the story? Always cover your nose. Especially if you're a dinosaur.